Hiccups, hiccups, hiccups. Gosh, they are so irritating, are not they? Hiccups lead to difficulties with eating, sleeping, speaking, and wound healing after any injury or surgery. It is also a source of embarrassment, especially in social gatherings. Do you know? Hiccups are diaphragmatic muscular spasms that are involuntary and continuous. The diaphragm is a muscle located directly below the lungs. It separates your chest from your abdomen and controls breathing. The lungs inhale oxygen with each diaphragmatic contraction, and exhale carbon dioxide when the diaphragm relaxes. If the diaphragm's contraction is irregular, it causes hiccups by producing the sound hic from the vocal cords closing. During hiccups, two things occur. First, the diaphragm descends between breaths, allowing you to inhale air. Second, the glottis, the gap between the vocal cords, contracts to prevent additional air from entering. This motion produces the hic sound of a hiccup, and the process occurs quite rapidly. The medical name for hiccups is singultus. Now let's look at some causes of hiccups. Hiccups can be caused due to overeating, eating spicy foods, alcoholic or carbonated drinks, sudden emotional excitement or distress, inhaling toxic fumes, temperature fluctuations, chemotherapy treatment, chewing gum or sucking on candy to swallow air, aerophagia, excessive stretching of neck, anesthesia or treatments involving abdominal organs. Hiccups can occur at any age and are more prevalent in men. He may also have hiccups for an incredibly long time. An episode of hiccups normally lasts only a few minutes for most people. In rare cases, hiccups might last for months. But if they linger for a long time, they might be a sign of a serious illness. Persistent hiccups may indicate an underlying severe medical problem, such as tumors and cancer, stroke, stomach or esophageal disorders, such as GERD. GERD is a gastrointestinal and abdominal disorder. Diaphragmatic pleurisy, uremia, pneumonia, diseases of the bowel, irritation of the bladder and pancreatitis, hepatitis and liver cancer, diabetes, unbalanced electrolytes, kidney disease, sore throat or laryngitis, as well as impairment of the central nervous system. The central nervous system is made up of the brain and the spinal cord. Your body may lose the capacity to manage hiccups if the central nervous system is affected. When hiccups occur for more than a few days and are accompanied by symptoms such as a headache, difficulty keeping your balance, or numbness, it may be an indication of something more severe. If you experience these symptoms together with hiccups, contact your doctor right away or go to the local emergency facility. They can examine how severe your hiccups are in relation to your general health and other concerns. Luckily, mild hiccups, on the other hand, can be addressed with simple home remedies. For example, eating and drinking certain things, through pressure points, or through breathing or posture techniques. As these potential home remedies will not harm you, there is usually no risk in trying them. So let's see these remedies step by step. So first we will explore food and drinks options. There are certain foods and drinks that may assist in triggering your phrenic nerves. Phrenic nerve is a nerve that runs from the spinal cord to the diaphragm. For example, number 1 is gargle or drink iced water. Take a glass of cold water and drink it slowly. Sipping cold water slowly may help activate the phrenic nerve. Or you can also gargle with cold water. What you are supposed to do is take a glass of cold-blooded water and gargle with it for at least 30 seconds, or continue this practice till you get rid of the hiccups. The cold water will distract the system from the hiccups by shocking it. Number 2. Piece of an ice cube. Take a cube of ice and suck on it for a few minutes, then swallow it when it's reduced to a digestible size. It will have the same effect on your system as the prior strategy. Number 3. Consume some sugar. Place a half tablespoon of sugar on your tongue for 5 to 10 seconds and allow it to dissolve without chewing. After that, swallow it. Number 4. Take a bite of a lemon. Taking a taste of lemon is another effective remedy for hiccups. Some individuals flavor their lemon slices with a bit of salt. But to protect your teeth from the citric acid, rinse your mouth with water. Number 5. Vinegar. Take a half teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Drink a glass of water to wash it down. You might also combine a teaspoon of vinegar with a little water. It could make it simpler to swallow. Number 6. Honey or peanut butter. Eating a teaspoon of honey or peanut butter is another effective remedy. Before swallowing, let it melt somewhat in your mouth. Swallowing dry pieces of bread also kicks out hiccups. Now let's see some pressure points which are also highly effective. By pressing pressure points, you can also get rid of hiccups. Parts of your body that are extremely sensitive to pressure are known as pressure points. Using your hands to apply pressure to these areas can activate phrenic nerves or assist in relaxing your diaphragm. So remedy number 7 is pressure on the palm. Apply pressure to the palm of your hand by using the thumb of your second hand. Number 8. Pulling on the tongue. Your throat's neurons and muscles are triggered by pulling on your tongue. Gently pull the tip of your tongue forward once or twice. It will also activate the phrenic nerves, which are associated with the diaphragm. Eventually, the diaphragm spasms will be controlled. That will put an end to your hiccups. Number 9. Massage your carotid artery. Another quick remedy to fix your hiccups is to massage your carotid artery. The carotid artery is present on both sides of the neck. When you check your pulse by touching your neck, you'll get it. What all you have to do is lie down for 5 to 10 seconds, move your head to the left, and massage the artery on the right side in a circular motion. Now let's see breathing and posture techniques, as diaphragm can sometimes be relaxed with a simple change in breathing or posture. So remedy on number 1 is to inhale deeply into a paper bag. Cover your lips and nose with a paper lunch bag. Slowly inhale and exhale to deflate and inflate the bag. But remember, never use a plastic bag and never put the bag over your head. Number 11. Make use of the Valsalva technique. For this, all you have to do is exhale while squeezing your nose and keeping your lips closed. Number 12. Breathe slowly and deliberately. This practice will disrupt your respiratory system. What you have to do is inhale for 5 counts and exhale for 5 counts. Number 13. Grasp your knees. Take a seat in a comfortable position. Bring your knees up to your chest. Hold on for 2 minutes and then release. Repeat this process until you get rid of your hiccups. Number 14. Hold your breath. Inhale a large gulp of air and hold it for as long as you can. Then exhale slowly. Repeat this process until your hiccups stop. This is one of the simplest and easiest remedies. You can do it at any time and in any place. Bonus remedies. Here are a few more long-lasting cures you might try. So number is 15. After closing your eyes, gently rub your eyeballs. Number 16. Your neck should be tapped or rubbed. Or gently swab the back of your throat with a cotton swab until you gag or cough. The phrenic nerve may be stimulated by these practices. Number 7. Distract yourself by doing something amusing. The key to getting rid of the hiccups is to divert the brain's attention away from the spasms of the diaphragm. The more you focus on your hiccups, the more powerful they appear to become, and the longer they appear to last. But when you stop focusing on your hiccups, they usually go away on their own. Therefore, try to play a video game, read a book, watch your favorite TV series, do a crossword puzzle, or simply calculate some numbers. These are some quick natural remedies that you can try to get rid of hiccups right away. But there are a few things which you should avoid during hiccups, such as: don't drink alcoholic, fizzy, or hot drinks. Don't chew gum or smoke. These can cause you to swallow air. Don't eat spicy food. Don't eat or drink something very cold immediately after something hot.